Karbi youth belonging to Karbi Anglong district found dead at Kerala on 11 October. APHLC organized 6th Schedule Awareness Camp Joining Program at Kopili on 10 October. CM of KAC laid the foundation for the construction of new KSA office at Lamding Road, Dipu on 11 October. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching KAL English Prime Time with Julie BP. Due to the rapid rise of unemployment in the district, uncountable number of educated youths are forced to move outstation in search of employment for their living. Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu top the list among all the states in which the youths prefer to work in. Yes, it is true that many youths from the district belonging to Karbi community had moved far away from their hometown in search of suitable jobs for their living, as the employment job and opportunities seems to have faded within the district, and loss of life had also been reported often. Likewise, on 11th of October, one youth was found dead at Chiaram, Thrissur district, Kerala. The deceased person was identified as Jensing Ingti, 23 years old, son of Longki Ingti and Sintu Ronghangpi, resident of Disama Phumen Ingti village, Marvang. So far, no one knew the cause of his death. His roommate has no idea on how Jensing Ingti had lost his life. Parents and families of Jensing Ingti appeals the higher authority and Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAC, to assist the family in bringing back the mortal remains of Jensing Ingti to perform the last rites. Parents of Jensing Ingti also appeals the concerned citizens with eyes filled with tears to kindly help them in this hour of grief in bringing back the mortal remains of his son. If any warm-hearted individual who is willing to help the families may kindly contribute on the account number 3753 439 879 shown on your screen. And to know the in-depth information of the incident, you may kindly contact on this number 939406 2527 provided on your screen. News Desk report for KAL Live. On 10th of October, All-Party Hills Leaders Conference, APHLC organized an awareness program on 6th Schedule Camp Awareness Program at Langparpan Polling Station under Kopili constituency, West Karbi Anglong. As many as 70 families joined the APHLC party, leaving their old party behind. To grace the event, Jai Kathar, IAS retired, President of APHLC, Bikram Hanse, President of Baitalangso LA, and many prominent party leaders and dignitaries of the APHLC party attended the program. It was reported that more than 70 families from different political parties like BJP, INC and ASDC had embraced the ideology of APHLC party and hence joined the party in presence of its party president Jai Kathar by leaving their old party behind. Let us hear the reason behind the joining of more than 70 families into APHLC from one of the eminent leader of APHLC party.
APHLC long ningaching samane khai kaching room kaching hontek asoposi itum rongsi chupang room pen pini APHLC mass joining bipongwa lapen nitlitum pini don 96 house tongwa lapen ningang sampen join dun lo.
Bikram Hanse, President of Baitalangso LA, while addressing his speech, says the movement of APHLC is not manipulating the public. APHLC is fighting as per the law and the Constitution of India. Hence, in the year 2017, APHLC won the case at Guwahati High Court for the amendment election process and also to frame the new electoral roll and voter list under the administration of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. But due to unavailability of representative at the Autonomous Council and Legislative Assembly from the APHLC party, the orders given by the Guwahati High Court remain suppressed. And Dr. Tuliram Ronghang led KAC did not dare to implement the orders of Guwahati High Court till date.
Lasi APHLC kachisong lake rat tumhan kapamanghu phan gali dak aron long hong bidang long kopi magetok halasot teng pensi kachisong.
Jai Qatar, IS retired president, while speaking to us, informed that more than 70 families had merged with the APHLC party today, and more than 100 families had joined recently because APHLC fight as part of law for the people and abides by the Constitution of India.
Lasi munitum aning arong prulo initum APHLC ke claim pen ajok athema APHLC atom aron ating pen si ke claim lo si chok si theng thepin pen si ke claim lo la posi arat atum lasi non ke itum long sina support dum.
Wiki based report from Dongkamakam for KAL English Live. On 21st of July 2022, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CM of KAL Autonomous Council, attended as the chief guest of the 63rd birth anniversary celebration of the KAL Students Association at Deephu, and assured to provide a financial aid worth ₹1 crore for the construction of new office building. And on 11th of October, as part of the assurance he had provided, he laid the foundation to kick off the construction of the new office building at Lamding Road, Deephu. The foundation ceremony was held at the KSA head office premises, and the budget for the construction of the office building was allocated with ₹1 crore from the state-owned Priority Development SOPD Scheme 2022. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, while speaking to us, informed that he laid the foundation today to fulfill the promise he had given on 21st of July 2022 on the occasion of 63rd KSA birth anniversary. He had allocated the budget from SOPD Scheme 2022 for the construction of new office building at Lamding Road, Deephu. Dr. Ronghang also appeals all the factions of KAL Students Association to unite and stay under one roof.
Karbianglong aparman kimi diapan Karbianglong atuya hoy pencenglong empre kaput pencenglong isibening isibeten lemra peten kapichun diapan Karbilo kacang dia song nami isibet dosonte ni sanji.
Thompson Rongpi, president of KSA, while speaking to us, expressed his belief and faith upon the vision and capabilities of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CM of KAAC, in fulfilling the aspirations and long-standing demand of the people of KAL Anglong, that is, none other than the autonomous state.
CM sir pani tum or pilo pulote CM sir long Dr. Tuliram Ronghang leadership no tum ajab thip nei pasini ado wega pancho long ajab thip lo pulote hempre tum te mangda lage chuni pasini.
News Desk report for KAL Live. Well, that's all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching KAL Live. Have a great day.